Look, if you have one of the coins in this video, you could have thousands of dollars more in your bank account than you do right now. There's plenty of people out there that are going through their spade change and they have no idea what to look for. Most people think they have a rare coin when in reality they don't. In this video, I'm going to show you what to look for so you don't potentially miss out on thousands of dollars. So up first, when most people see a coin like this, they'd have no idea that it's worth $4,500. And here's the main reason why. So this coin was created by PCGS in AU 53. AU pretty much means almost uncirculated. That means the coin went out into circulation. It was passing people's hands. It was in a cash register before someone saw it and said something's wrong here. I think this is a rare mint error, and they were right. So what they did was they got it graded by PCGS and they authenticated it as being broad struck on an Australian sixpence planchet. So whether this was intentional or not, someone at the mint accidentally or purposefully put an Australian planchet, which is a blank piece of metal, into the collar, and it struck this coin and left this impression when it should not have been struck like this at all. So that's why this coin looks different around the edge there. It's completely wrong. The metal composition is also wrong. The weight is wrong. There's a lot of things that are just completely wrong about this coin. So imagine being able to turn one little penny into $4,560 just like this person did. So most of us are probably familiar with this 2004 25-cent Wisconsin quarter. Now, what you really need to be looking for on this coin and why this coin sold for $6,000 is because one, it was graded by PCGS, a mint state 67, and two, it has the extra low leaf. So I'm going to throw up a diagram, and you want to look at this diagram because if your coin has an extra high or an extra low leaf, you could have a coin that's worth a good amount of money because again, this coin sold for $6,000. If you want to learn more about coin handling, coin grading, and values of coins, I have a completely free ebook. All you got to do is click the link below and enter your email address. I won't send you any spam or anything, but you don't have to do that. Instead, let's just continue on and go into the next coin here. This is a 1955 10-cent Roosevelt dime that honestly looks like someone just colored it as a rainbow, but the reality is this is what collectors call toning. This coin sold for $9,300 mainly because it graded at a PCGS mint state 68, which is so high of a grade. That is only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70. Now, if you have a coin that has toning, but the condition is really bad, that's really not going to matter as much as if your coin was in a mint state nice grade like this one. Because again, because this one has nice toning and it was graded really highly by PCGS, it sold for $9,300. This 1939 5-cent Jefferson nickel sold for $15,600, and this is why. So essentially, this 1939 coin has the reverse of a 1940, and it was graded as a PCGS proof 68 with a CAC sticker. So if the front of your coin looks like this and the back of your coin looks like this, then the back of your coin could be a 1940 coin and it could be worth a lot of money, especially if it's a proof coin. Now really quick, what's a proof coin? Essentially, a proof coin is a coin that has a mirror appearance to it. When you're looking at the backdrop or the field of the coin, you're almost going to be able to see a reflection just like a mirror, and these coins are pretty hard to come by. Most of the time, proof coins are going to be worth more money. Now, you're probably not going to find a coin like this in pocket change, but you will find it in a collection more than likely. This one also has that rainbow toning we were talking about. Essentially, that just happens depending on where the coin is stored and if the air is oxidizing with certain metals in the coin. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $15,600. This is a 1943 coin, and this one little penny sold for $218,500, and I'm going to tell you exactly why right now. So during the war efforts, they were needing more bronze for ammunition, which caused them to transition into a zinc-coated steel planchet coin for the 1943 penny. So you want to look out. If you have a 1943 penny that is struck on a copper bronze planchet like this one, you could have a coin that's either worth a lot of money or it's a fake coin. So make sure if someone offers you a coin like this for $500 or $1,000, you want to be very cautious of that because they might be scamming you and ripping you off. So be very careful of that. One thing I'd say is if you find a genuine 1943 coin that was struck on a bronze planchet like this one that was graded at a PCGS AU 58, you want to make sure you find a reputable person to help you sell it or continue to do your research and homework because you don't want to get scammed and ripped off for a lot of money because again, this coin sold for $218,500. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on your screen. Don't miss any of the coins in those videos. I'll see you in the next one.